In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion page. If you want to make a copy of an existing page in Notion without rebuilding it from scratch, this is a quick and useful feature to know. Duplicating a page is especially helpful when you want to reuse the same structure, layout, or content as a starting point for something new. For example, you might use it for templates, repeated project pages, meeting notes, or weekly planning. To begin, go to your Notion page. Make sure you're inside the workspace where the page is located so you can see it in the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is where Notion lists your pages and subpages, and that's where you'll access the duplication option. If your sidebar is collapsed, open it first so you can clearly find the page you want to copy. Once you've found the correct page, look in the left-hand column and hover over the page you'd like to duplicate. Next to that page, you'll see the three dots, which open the page options menu. Click on those three dots. This menu gives you access to several actions you can perform on the page, and duplication is one of them. After the menu opens, click on Duplicate. As soon as you do that, Notion will create a copy of the page for you. In most cases, the duplicated version will appear in the same section of your sidebar, usually with a similar name that indicates it's a copy. From there, you can open the duplicated page and rename it, edit the content, or move it somewhere else in your workspace if needed. A helpful tip here is to double check that you're duplicating the correct page before clicking Duplicate, especially if you have multiple pages with similar names. That can save you time and keep your workspace organized. It's also a good idea to rename the copied page right away so you can easily tell it apart from the original. And that's all there is to it. Duplicating a Notion page is a simple process. Go to your Notion page, click the three dots next to the page in the left-hand sidebar, and select Duplicate. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and can really speed up your workflow in Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.